Well, I don't know how well this is going to come out. I'm having problems with my camera, so I'm just going to make a quick video about these new Morris 80 fishing crossbow bolts. This is going to have to be a dry shoot because up here in Oregon it's illegal to use pistol crossbows, or even longbows for fishing. The only ones that can do that are your native Indians, due to their heritage. Besides that, I've seen salmon up here so thick that you can, it wouldn't be fair if you like shooting fish in a barrel. I've actually, with my buddies, caught salmon by hand, believe it or not. So it wouldn't be very sporting to shoot them with these pistol crossbows. Anyway, but you can have a lot of fun wherever you live that is legal and you wish to do some fishing. Okay, I'm going to shoot the three bolts. I have the Tour bolt, the Shark bolt, and the Apollo bolt. The Shark bolt is connected to a line. It's a 35-pound test line, hooked up to an old fishing reel I've had for about 30 years. Just for this demo, I just hooked it up to my pistol crossbow. I'm going to give you a demo with it. Now, there are good pistol crossbow bolts out there, or pistol crossbows out there, that have the reel attached to them. I think William Tell Archery has 3 different varieties. In fact, they're on eBay as well as these bolts here are. They have the Piranha, the Mantis, and the Barracuda pistol crossbows that actually have reels that come with the pistol crossbow. So you might want to check those out as well, along with these new fishing bolts. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and shoot these. I'm going to shoot all 3. Now, I'm 76 years old, so my accuracy may not be as good as yours will be, but I'm going to give it a good shot anyway. Okay. There. Okay. There we go. Well, that one's sort of dead center. Let's shoot these others. Now, well, we're shooting at 30 foot, by the way. This is a 30-foot thing. You're not going to be shooting too many fish more than 30 feet anyway, so. Yeah. Can't see where that hit. I think it's shot high. I'll go ahead and shoot this one. I think getting shot high. Shot high. Another one with the line hook good hit dead center. I'll go ahead and shoot these 2 again. That one hit dead center. Try this one. Like I said, these are 30 feet. You're not going to shoot too many fish more than that anyway. Okay, that one hit just a little higher. Okay. I'll bring the target up here. Oh, just to show you that it was actually, that first one was actually hooked up. I'm going to move it so you can see that it was hooked up. Okay. Maybe it will. Never mind. My reel's all messed up. But it's hooked up. Well, you can see they are pretty accurate. Actually, they're very accurate. I'm much more accurate than I am. Anyway, have a good day. Have some good fishing time. Bye.